What's up guys, my name is Elias Michael and welcome to my first video of the YouTube channel. So, we're going to open all of these Pokemon cards, so let's get it. Look at all these packs. Look at all these. Alright guys, let's just open it and see what happens. Okay. Got a code right here. Alright. 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 Let's see this. Noctowl, okay. Sisu, Dartrix, Chatot, Psyduck, Drifloon, Sabudo, Magnemite, Hisuian Typhlosion, and Bastiodon. Inside hollow, and this one, Hisuian Typhlosion, is outside hollow. Alright, let's go. Just gonna alright, let's see, have another Astroranian Pokemon. Alright, another code right here. Alright, we got Grass Energy, Super Infected Glasses, Kricketune, Unidentified Fossil, Hisuian Quillfish, Hisuian Basculin, Poochyena, Glameow, Yamna, Miltank, outside hollow, and we got a Grand Rainbow. Wow. Wow, this is awesome. Just wow. Yes. My goodness. We got a Grand Rainbow Hollow. Alright. We got another Astroranian card pack. Alright. Alright, another code here. Alright. We got Dark Energy, Uxie, Hisuian Overquill, Jubilife Village, Stantler, Hisuian Quillfish, Scyther, Togepi, Combee, and Ursaring outside hollow, and Glaceon. Ooh, this keeps better and better. And here comes another Astro Radiant pack. Alright. Another code. We got water, Bronzong, Roxanne, Kirlia, Swinub, Nicky, Petalii, Bergmite, Hippopotas. We got Roxanne outside hollow, and we got Origin Form, the Elga V-Star. Let's go. Ho ho. We got it, yo. Yes. Man, this is good. Alright. We got another Astro Radiance pack. I hope this is very interesting. Here comes another code. Alright. Ooh, some V-Star. Okay. Not very bad. Ooh, some of the V-Star. We got Golduck, Trekking Shoes, Drifblim, Stantler, Kricketot, Hoot, Oshawott, Bronzor, Barboach, outside hollow. Another Machamp hollow. Yes. There are only 2 Machamps. Oh my gosh, dude. That was so insane. Alright. We also got Lost Origin, okay. Now let's open it and see what's next. We got another code here. We got Fighting Energy. We got Mirage Gate, Torkoal, Irizu, Jinx, Litwick, Oddish, Love Disc, Phalanx. We got Galistria, outside hollow, and we got some Electros, non-hollow. Alright, we got the Lost Origin, another one. Another code. Alright. We got Fire Energy, Seadra, Z Viper, Galarian Stunfisk, Poliwag, Oddish, Hisuian Growlithe, Lickitung, Slugma, Spinarak, and Magearna, non-hollow. Alright, just gonna clean this a little bit. Let's go. Alright. Alright, everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. Everything's perfect. Alright, we got another Lost Origin. Alright, another code. Alright. We got Dark Energy, Roserade, Hisuian Sliggoo. We got Electric, Spinarak, Aipom, Clefairy, Slugma, Lickitung, Lost City, Outside Hollow, and we got Delphox V. Alright, this ain't half bad, so this is awesome. Look at these full art. You see? This is very interesting. Oh, we got another Lost Origin. Alright. We got another code. Alright. Alright. We got V-Star. Alright. V-Star. Another V-Star. We got Electric, Riley, Gloom, Electrike, Bronzor, Sudowoodo, Phantump, Gligar. We got Machoke Outside Hollow. We got Hisuian Basculgon Inside Hollow. Ooh, this is very interesting. What's up? You okay? Yep. Hold on, just trying. Don't interrupt my video, okay? Alright. Alright. Okay, we got Brilliant Stars. Alright. Another code. We got Fire Energy. We got Ursurola's Premonition. We got Pot Helmet. Executor. Starly. Spiritomb. Purloin. Milcery, Shinx. Ooh, we got double turbo energy. It's outside hollow. Oh, we got Clefable non-hollow. Okay. Clefable non-hollow. There's a bunch of stuffs, but non-hollow cards. Alright. Okay. Alright, we got another. Alright, another code. We got Water Energy, Staravia, Monferno, Gloria, Sneasel, Clink, Spiritomb, Exu, Impidimp, Grottle, and Grottle outside hollow, and we got Empoleon inside hollow. Oh boy, that was wow, that was such an awesome hollows. Such an awesome hollows. Such an awesome hollows. We can do tame Pokemon. Alright.
What even was your question?
You want Popeye's chicken?
Yes.
I'm gonna make breakfast, some fried eggs with some Popeye's French fries. But I told your daddy to get you guys some chicken too. You guys want some chicken too?
Okay.
Yeah.
Just trying to get some video.
Ay, que le compre pollo quieren.
Alright. Another code. Alright. We got Grass Energy, Floatzel, Choice Belt, Fibrava, Trapinch, Throw, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig. Oh my goodness, it's Ariados full art. And then we got Kingler VMAX. Let's go. Man, I can't believe it is happening. My goodness. Dude. Man, this is insane. Man, I can't believe this is happening. We got another code. All right. Hi. We got Shroomish, Impidimp, Drugdigon. We got Lightning Energy, Executor, Weavile, Kindler, Gable, Turtwig, Trapinch, Piplup. Oh, that's non-hollow anyway. Oh wow, this is very, very dope. Look at this Piplup, it's non-hollow. Oh well. Oh yeah, right. Yeah, this will help. Yeah, this will help. And look at that. This is so big. Alright, we got Brilliant Stars again. We got another code. Oi, we got V-Star. We got Barry, Clang, Cynthia's Ambition, Spiritomb, Burmy, Impidimp, Staryu, Rylu, Clefairy, Outside Hollow, and Muck. Wow. Look at the Clefairy. This is so gorgeous. Okay. Chilling Rain. Code. Alright. We got Grass Energy, Avery, Ledian, Old Cemetery, Castform, Sunnyform, Castform, Ladybug, Gollet, Clobbopus. We got Zarude, Outside Hollow. We got Gallade, non-hollow. We got Pokemon's Fusion Strike. Another code. We got another dark energy. Phalanx. Galarian Darmanican. Sliggoo. Bonnelby. Drillbur. Mudkip. Mantine. Grubbin. Siligabith. Outside Hollow. And Claydol non-hollow hit. Another code. Grass Energy. Galarian Lanoon. Stantler. Gliscor. Phalanx. Morpeko. Smeargle. Quillfish. Tynamo. Dewpider outside hollow. And Swampert inside hollow. Code. Lightning Energy. We got Baruscuda. Bug Catcher. Wigglytuff. Ooh, look at how cute. Ghostly Flower. Panper. Eevee. Shinx. Shelmet. We got Durant outside hollow. And Maractus non-hollow. Alright. Not bad. That's not bad at all. We got the last fusion pack. Alright. Another code. Alright, Wooloo. No. I have to switch. Sorry. We got Fighting Energy. Frostmoth. Semisear. Farewell Bell. Wooloo. Pancham. Galarian Darumaka. Indeedee. Growlithe. Voltorb outside hollow. And we got Starmie inside hollow. Man. Well, we got Evolving Skies. Alright, guys. For the moment of you've been waiting for. There's 2 more packs. We got a code. Alright, we got Fighting Energy. Scrafty. Ursaring. Crystal Cave. Nickit. Bergmite. Roggernola. Flabébé. Swablu. Hippopotamus, outside hollow, and we got Drampa, non-hollow hit. And the last one is the Rayquazas in it. And now, for the moment of you've been waiting for. Code. Alright. For the moment of you've been waiting for. Alright. We got Dark Energy, Nuzleaf, Eskew, Skiploom, Pumpkaboo, Rufflet, Lotad, Emolga, Woobat, Wobbuffet, inside, outside hollow, and we got Umbreon V. Wow. Wow. Look at that art. Look at how the win it is. Oh my goodness. That was most to pull every pull. Awesome pulls. Alright guys. I hope you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.